Can a teacher ordained as a minister bring an employment discrimination suit against her employer when the teacher develops a disability and is subsequently fired? This was the question before the court in the case of the narcoleptic minister. In this case, a teacher for a parochial school earned the title of Minister of Religion. As a minister of religion, the school allowed the teacher to teach religious education and speak at religious services, which she did. Later, the teacher developed narcolepsy and went on disability leave for over 6 months. When she tried to come back and reassert her position as a teacher, the school informed her that a replacement teacher was already hired for the remainder of the school term. After an argument between the parties, the parochial school decided to fire the teacher. The teacher sued her church and school, alleging that they illegally fired her under the Americans with Disabilities Act. The parochial school and church responded that they legally fired her and that the First Amendment barred the lawsuit because the state cannot regulate a church's selection of its ministers. How would you decide the case? Can a teacher ordained as a minister bring an employment discrimination action against her employer when the teacher develops a disability and is subsequently fired? We'll be right back with the answer. Can a teacher ordained as a minister bring an employment discrimination action against her employer when the teacher develops a disability and is subsequently fired? No, according to the United States Supreme Court. The Establishment and the Free Exercise Clauses of the First Amendment bar civil suits brought by ministers against their church. The First Amendment states, "Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof." It is well established that the government cannot intervene when a church fires its minister. Because the teacher was also a minister in this case, the teacher could not sue the parochial school or the church. The court ruled that the First Amendment bars civil rights claims between ministers and churches. The High Court upheld the separation of church and state in this matter. Remember, it's a matter of law.